Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest news and new bag collection from Louis Vuitton. I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs and the website. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, BUDGETARIAN FASHIONISTA. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright, so let us discuss the new pieces from LV. So first we have the Fivole Nano. So apologies for the mispronunciation. Please take note of the SKU because we do not have the price as of the moment. So the materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. So what I love about this bag, it comes with a drawstring closure. Then of course it comes with detachable leather strap. So you could wear it as a shoulder bag, which would look chic on your everyday wear. Next on the new collection guys is another beautiful vanity pouch trunk, priced at 3,400 USD. So material is the reverse monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims in the colorway noir. So it comes with detachable chain strap. So since this is a vanity pouch trunk, so this is a slimmer version but with the trunk details on the sides. So next we have another chunky east-west. Price is 3,000 euro or 3,850 USD. So I love the slouchy material of the calfskin leather. It would also come with the calfskin or cowhide leather trims. Colorway is beige, and it would come with adjustable leather chain strap as we can see here, and it comes with the metal trims on the edges of the bag. So next on the collection guys, so let us discuss the Express MM, price at 3,800 USD. So the colorway of this one is in beige and white. Materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and we are going to see that it would also come with the monogram canvas trim, so made of the straps, made of the trims of the monogram canvas, and of course it comes with gold hardware. It would come in the size PM, so price is 3,600 euro. We have the SKU here. So materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims with of course monogram canvas details with detachable monogram canvas straps. So the interior as well, as you can see, it is lined with monogram details. So this is how it looks like when you're going to wear it as a shoulder bag, and it comes with clochette that is made of monogram canvas as well, just like with the side trunk PM. So the colorway, by the way, is platinum. So price is 3,300 euro. Materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims, and of course these straps is made of monogram canvas detail. It would come with the classic side trunk design, like with the metal trims on the edges of the bag. Next on the collection, so we have the Keeper, or the Louis Vuitton Keeper. So this is a reminiscent of a Louis Vuitton dust bag, don't you think? So we have this SKU here, so just kindly take a screenshot. So this is the open part of the Keeper bag. So as you're going to see, it comes with a drawstring for closure, and it would come of course with a vachetta top handle. Then of course it would come with the classic monogram base of the bag. So next guys, how gorgeous and beautiful the square trunk mini. So we have the SKU here, just kindly take a screenshot, and I believe this is going to be a little bit expensive because the material is Karung snakeskin leather in colorway noir. It would come with metal trims. It would come with detachable leather strap as well. Gorgeous detail. I love of course the classic black and gold combination. Next guys, a collector's piece in my opinion. So if you are going to collect something different, something unique, then get the tile trunk guys. So price is 7,550 USD. I think the only worry about this would be the materials mirror canvas, which Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so guys, next we have this very beautiful Alma Trunk BB. Price is 4,250 USD. Material calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. It comes of course with the metal trims. Color, by the way, is rose petal, detachable chain strap, and detachable leather strap. Gorgeous colorway of the Alma Trunk BB. Next guys, we have another one which is the No Way Nano Trunk. So price is 3,250. Material calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. On the edges, it will come with metal trims, which is silver hardware. It colorway is the same color, rose petal. Then of course it would come with detachable leather strap, and of course this is a No Way bag. It comes with a drawstring for closure. Next guys, we have the multi-pass, price at 2,600 euro or 3,350 USD. Same material, which is the very soft and supple calfskin leather with monogram coated canvas trim. So this is the interior, as you can see, lined with monogram detail as well. And of course it would come with detachable monogram shoulder strap. Next on the collection, so we have the Speedy Trunk size 20. This is really beautiful guys. Price is 3,200 euro or 4,100 USD. Materials calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. As you're going to see, it comes with the trunk detail. It comes with the studs on the sides of the Speedy. Then of course it would come with the metal trims at the corner of the bag. Then of course it would come with detachable strap for easy access. Next guys, so I have discussed this previously, but what I'm going to share now would be the bag's design that I wasn't able to share to you. So first we have the Odyssey PM. Price is 3,450 USD. So this is from the Monogram Emblem collection, made of monogram jacquard with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is rose ruban. It would come with detachable strap as well. Next guys, we have the classic No Way bag. So price is 2,400 euro or 2,770 USD. Monogram Emblem collection, so the material is monogram jacquard. It would come with cowhide leather trim, so same colorway, which is the rose ruban. And then of course the strap is adjustable, and it would come with detachable leather bag tag as well. So next in the collection, Miss Mini. This one guys, get it right away. Looks so cute. So price at 1,250 euro or 1,570 USD. Materials, the monogram jacquard, and this is the interior. Of course, it would come with the colorway rose ruban, and the hardware is gold tone, as you can see here. And then of course it would come with the vachetta leather trims. Next guys, how beautiful is this pochette papillon? So price is 1,400 euro or 1,820 USD. So as you can see, the strap is made of leather, but it's also fully detachable. So it's a little bit elongated, but I believe this could be part of an SLG or a smaller bag. Perfect for evening events. It would come with the same features, with the same jacquard material. But this one, guys, I think this is more fabulous. We have the pochette Mia. And of course, the price is not really super expensive at 1,700 euro or 2,250 USD. Materials Monogram Emblem collection with the monogram jacquard and cowhide leather trim material, colorways rose ruban, and of course the shoulder strap is fully detachable. So next on the collection guys, of course, you know this is my personal favorite, the Alma BB, 2,100 euro or 2,750 USD. So materials, the monogram jacquard with the vachetta leather trims, like with the top handle, the base, and of course the detachable leather strap. So this is the backside of the Alma BB. By the way, this has launched January 5th, so check with your CAs and check the website as well. And last but not the least, we have the Speedy Bandolier size 20. Price at 2,200 euro or 2,850 USD. Monogram jacquard material with cowhide leather trims or the vachetta leather trims. Then of course it would come with detachable leather strap, leather bag tag, and lock-in key.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!